Assalamu alaikum. Good morning. Excellencies, distinguished guests, colleagues and friends, allow me first to express my sincere appreciation to His Excellency Lieutenant General Kamel Wazir, Deputy Prime Minister and Minister of Transport, to His Excellency Walid Gamal Eldin, Chairman of the Suez Canal Economic Zone, and to Admiral Osama Rabi, Chairman of the Suez Canal Authority, for their remarkable leadership and tireless commitment to strengthening Egypt's position as a global logistics powerhouse. And let me also acknowledge His Excellency President Abdel Fattah el-Sisi, whose vision and determination continue to inspire this national transformation. His leadership has turned ambition into action and has made Egypt a genuine hub for trade, logistics and industrial growth. It's a great honor to join you here at Transmea 2025, representing Suez Canal Container Terminal, a proud example of partnership between the public and private sectors, and a symbol of what can be achieved when determination, innovation and trust come together. Few countries are blessed with geography as powerful as Egypt. The Suez Canal is not just a maritime passage. It's a global artery of trade through which the world economies breathe. But geography alone does not create value. Leadership does. And this is where Egypt has excelled. Over the past decade, the government of Egypt has delivered an extraordinary transformation through clear vision, strategic investment, and relentless execution. It has built the foundations of a logistics system that connects continents and accelerates commerce. We see this in the modernization of the canal itself, under Admiral Osama Rabi's leadership, improving safety, efficiency, and capacity. We see it in the bold expansion of Egypt's port infrastructure, from Alexandria to Damietta to Ain Sokhna and Port Said East. We see it in the creation of the Suez Canal Economic Zone, a forward-looking ecosystem where logistics, industry, and renewable energy converge. And we see it in the investment in people, the engineers, planners, and young professionals being prepared to drive Egypt's next industrial area. SCCT's partnership with Egypt, we are proud to be part of this national journey. From the very beginning, SCCT was established as a partnership between APM Terminals, the Suez Canal Authority, and Egyptian investors. A partnership that reflects Egypt's openness to collaboration and confidence in its own future. Working closely with the Ministry of Transport, the Suez Canal Authority, and the SC Zone, we have positioned Port Said East among the most efficient and reliable container terminals in the world. Today, SCCT stands among the top 3 ports globally in the World Bank's Container Port Performance Index, a reflection not only of operational excellence, but of trust and coordination that define Egypt's maritime sector. The government of Egypt has created a stable and transparent framework that encourages investment, drives innovation, and ensures that both public and private partners succeed together. That spirit of partnership is one of Egypt's greatest strengths. Our shared vision is simple but powerful: to build a smarter, cleaner, and more connected logistics future for Egypt. And at SCCT, we are turning that vision into reality. We are digitalizing every step of the cargo journey, connecting shipping lines, customs, truckers, and industrial zones into a single real-time ecosystem. What makes Egypt's logistics story truly remarkable is the unity of purpose between government and industry. The Ministry of Transport and the SC Zone have provided a clear long-term roadmap. The Suez Canal Authority has strengthened the canal's competitiveness while building collaboration across the ecosystem. And the private sector has responded with confidence, investing in assets, technology, and people to match the pace of Egypt's ambitions. This alignment, this sense of one team, one vision, is rare, and it's the reason Egypt's progress is both visible and credible. Egypt is entering a new era of growth, an era defined by connectivity, innovation, and sustainability. Ports are expanding, logistic corridors are taking shape, digital platforms are transforming how trade flows. Imagine an Egypt where goods move seamlessly from ship to factory to consumer, powered by clean energy, guided by data, and supported by world-class professionals. Imagine industrial zones where local production connects directly to global markets. This is no longer a dream, it's happening now. Step by step, vessel by vessel, project by project. And the credit belongs to the government of Egypt for its determination, its coherence, its courage to think big and to act even bigger. Ladies and gentlemen, the logistics world is changing faster than ever. Technology, sustainability, and resilience are redefining competitiveness. And Egypt is not simply adapting, Egypt is leading. Through vision, discipline, and partnership, the government of Egypt has positioned this nation as the logistics gateway of Africa, the Mediterranean, and beyond. At the Suez Canal Container Terminal, we are proud to be part of this journey, to invest in Egypt, to empower its people, and to support its transformation into a global leader in trade and logistics. Our promise is clear: to keep investing, to keep innovating, and to keep building together a smarter, cleaner, and more connected future for Egypt and for the world. Thank you.